Hey guys, Jacob here. Got a product I want to talk to you guys about that we install in-house in our service facility. BAK bed covers. They're a really good seller. They're one of the best bed covers out there. We have all the different options along with Retracts, which is a Truck Hero brand, which is kind of a BAK brand at the same time. Because Truck Hero owns all three of these, they make a great product. We show all the different options here. Swing in our service facility and our showroom here so we can show you, pick out what option is best for you and get you helped out. If you want one of these and you're an online customer, we can take care of you as well. Just let us know which one you're looking for. We can still ship it to you just because you don't see it on our website. Cargo glides are another great option. These are actually a slide that goes in your bed on your vehicle. So you could have your bed cover and have this slide underneath. That way you can slide it out and access everything that's still in your truck bed with the bed cover completely closed. So some guys like these, especially if you're a construction worker with tools and things, you can slide everything out and get that taken care of. If you guys have any questions about these BAK covers or cargo glides, swing into our facility, give us a call, whatever it is, 800-749-0688. We want to get you guys helped out.